boom, 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 bop, bam.
Right, so this is the overall plan, and the first step is to add the copper shielding to the body and new pickguard using this copper tape that I got. So why am I adding this copper shielding to the guitar? Well, it's obviously to get better metal tones. Not really. Actually, it's because the wiring inside the guitar acts as a sort of antenna that can pick up a lot of interferences from computers, lights, or other electronics. So what we're trying to do is to create a mini Faraday cage that will pick up all of these interferences and send them to ground to avoid them going into the guitar signal. So this is a finished pickguard, and I've wired it up to my multimeter here to test the continuity, so you can see that anywhere we touch on this board it is beeping. That means that it is conductive, which is what you want. And one tip when working with this copper tape is to wear gloves if you can, because otherwise you get all these like tiny cuts, because it does get quite sharp. I've already run into some issues where even though I've custom ordered this black pickguard and sent in the original one as a model, it didn't fit quite right, so I had to shave off a bit here. I didn't do it quite right, I think, but it fits now. And I've also noticed that the white color in the middle ply of this black pickguard is a bit of a different color than the original one. I wanted it to be more of a cream color, but I think that hopefully that'll be okay. And I've now finished shielding the guitar cavity, and I've wired it up to the multimeter again to check the continuity. I've done it like this so I can do it with one hand, but essentially, again, you want to go and test the various points on the guitar and make sure that there is continuity. And the last step in this process is to make sure that all of this shielding and the one on the pickguard is interconnected, and it's also wired up to the ground of the guitar, which is this black wire here that is connected to the bridge, this metal bridge part, and then this bridge will have the strings laying on it, so therefore all the metal parts of this guitar will be interconnected. So to do this, I've taped down this white wire here with this copper tape, and I've tied it up with this black wire, and these two we're going to solder to the pickguard, and then everything will be connected up. So thank you for watching. I'll link all the materials used in my TikTok bio, and I'll see you in the next one.